I created the high fidelity wireframes in Adobe Illustrator, and then I used these wireframes to create a click-through high fidelity prototype in Axure. To access the prototype in Axure, you open your browser on your iPhone 4 or 4S, and you put in the URL crystalhynams.co.uk/netweaver/netweaver.html. The HTML files will be launched here, but to make it look better and work like a native app, we click here and we add it to the home screen. So we'll keep the name NetWeaver and the icon is there and click Add. Then it appears on the home screen of your iPhone like a native app. So we click the native app and I'll take you through a simple optimal path through the wireframe. Although a lot of the app can be explored by participants and they can have free reign, there are just a few options which don't have multiple options available. So for this time, we're going to select Profile, and it slides over to reveal profile information, which has been sourced from various social networks when the app was launched and input manually. So I click back to the main search and home screen, and if I click the icon on the other side, this is groups that the user has booked on and previous groups. So I'll go back to the main search page. Here you can see there are lots of refining options, but for now I'm going to select industries attending. So here is a list of the industries that are attending networking groups. They're in hierarchy of the most to the least. So if I was interested in photography, that's quite a lot of bookings for people in the photography industry. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to select BNI Heritage, as this is my working group for the prototype. Here you can see all of that meeting details. So I'd like to have a look that I could see the services required here. So these are users have input these services that they're looking for. So it's very interesting if you're looking to go to a networking meeting and I was a web designer, for instance, I can see there's a lot of people looking for design there. So I'm going to book onto this meeting, so I click book. Then I want some services, so I'm going to click services required. And for this prototype, it's banking and mortgage. So it's listed there and I'm going to book it. And then here, these are the meetings that I've booked onto already. And if I go back, then we're right back on the home page and we can do as much exploring as we like. But it's to show how the connections can be made before, during and after meetings, allowing lots of touch points, but in a very easy way that fits into a busy business person's networking life.